To be a big couple of weeks here. We've got some changes here as far as our weather goes because a few boundaries going to move in. It looks like this is going to mainly impact us tomorrow, but we've had some pretty heavy rainfall setting up to our south. Heavy rain down in the Ohio River Valley that extends from Nashville throughout southern Missouri. We have the northern extent of that cloud cover that's kind of associated with that boundary, and that's really playing a role in what our temperatures are doing out there this morning. Where the sky is mostly clear through the northern tier of the state, your temperature is much cooler as compared to areas south, where we're starting to see those numbers in the 40s this morning, and that's going to be more of a mild start with that cloud cover. So we'll call it a mix of sun and clouds. Again, it depends on where you are in the state. Farther north you go, a little more sunshine. Farther south, a little bit of a thicker cloud deck. 46 as we get into the 11 o'clock hour today. Not quite as warm as it has been, but really no complaints here as far as what our average goes. Should be in the upper 40s still. We're going to be about 10 degrees above that, near 57 for a high later today. And again, the clouds are going to hang out, especially to areas south into the afternoon as we see those daytime high temperatures in the 50s later on this afternoon. Then we get into the evening tonight. Clouds will stick with us, but as far as our temperatures go, they're going to stay mild in the 40s. I anticipate that next chance of rain to roll in early Sunday. This is at 8 o'clock in the morning as that boundary kind of moves in and through. This is Sunday afternoon, so temperature-wise, not going to be as warm because of the influence of that boundary that sets up, but near 50 into tomorrow afternoon with a high of 52 for your Sunday. Again, it's going to be one of those days where it really depends on where you are in the state because of how our pattern's going to set up. We've got the better chance of rain into the afternoon hours. This is at 5 p.m. on Sunday. Notice how this boundary sets up just on the west-southwest side of town. And then throughout the state, southwestern part of the state, that best chance of rain tomorrow. We'll call it a 40% chance for your Sunday. This is when things get pretty active here. So this is a little bit of a roller coaster. Let's walk you through this timeline. 2 o'clock in the morning. This is early Monday. The rain moves in first, and notice your temperature here. Everybody above freezing. Here's the deal. Similar to what's out there this morning, some spots in the state are going to drop back to that freezing mark as we get into Monday morning. And with that colder air, we see that transition over. So by about 8 a.m., this is when we'll see that go from rain to freezing rain in the northeastern part of the state, 7 o'clock in the morning. And then as we go into the early afternoon, this will eventually pull off. Now, I'm not expecting this to have a big time impact all through the course of the day because the temperature will recover and a lot of this is going to melt off. But for a couple of hours there, Monday in the morning, it's going to be a little slippery out there. Everything kind of exits as we get into our Monday afternoon, and then the temperature will slowly start to recover late in the day. We'll call it a high of 47, but that's going to happen around midnight, early Tuesday, and then temperatures do recover. 56 Tuesday, next chance of rain moving in on